In this video, I'm gonna show you how to simply remove aftermarket radio or any radio in Mitsubishi Magna. So you need a simple tool just like this. You just have to go to this side. So after you move this cover, you just take this off. So I'm just taking this things off. Yeah. Put it somewhere safe. I just put it on the seat. And then the next one, there is 4 of these. So, then there's sometimes if you want, you can take this off, but that's too much work and there's no need for me to do that. If you want to do that, you just push this down, this button here. If you push it down, then the thing will come off. You can do the same thing to this side, but I don't need to do that. I should have taken this one off instead. But it still doesn't matter if you don't need to take the other one off. So you take this. Okay, so when you take, then this will just come out like this. So this is the antenna. This cord, this cable, you can find it on eBay. You just have to enter, search for Mitsubishi Magna hiring wireless. Then they come with this and that. So we just take this. Guys, so I took this one out and I put a new one in. They look the same. So this one was not working. I took it out and I put this on. Watch on my other video on how to do this stuff. I explain it in the other video. Okay, so what you're going to do is so this is the neutral. You don't have to do much with it. You just find a metal place. This is what I do with the neutral. So installing everything back. This is the ground. You just put it next to any cable, you find any metal. In this case, I'm just going to use this. So installing the new one with this cable, it comes with a neutral. This is a ground wire. So I'm just putting it next to this. As I'm gonna put it here because I really don't need it. I just need to connect it to a neutral, and yeah, I connect to this metal. So installing the new radio, you have the ground wire. You attach it to the bracket. Some people prefer to attach it somewhere inside, but for me, I just attach it to the metal just here. And I put everything back. So this one. And but because the ground wire is up here, I need to bring it down so that I can connect the other side. Just connect it to any metal. So I'll just put this plug back. I'm struggling a little bit because I'm doing it with one hand. So you want to make sure everything is in place. We'll start by putting the screws back on. And one more. Okay, now so now everything is done. We're gonna put these things back in place. So with this. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing this thing back. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on and see if it works. Okay guys, this is how you install a new radio in Mitsubishi Magna. Thank you for watching.